and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by UNiceHair, and they sent me this deep wave closure wig. This is pre-cut. It was pre-cut, pre-bleached. I literally did not have to do anything. I didn't use any glue. I only used a little bit of spray, only because I took out some of my natural hair just to blend it with the wig so it could look a little bit more natural. But as for the front part, there's literally no glue in it. I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to do a ball cap method. I didn't have to bleach the wig. I didn't have to cut the lace, and I did not have to pluck it. Well, I actually plucked a little bit, but it does come pre-plucked, so if you're not a person that's like too good on the plucking, you're good, you're fine. I don't remember the length of the wig. I think it is 24 inches if I'm not mistaken. And now when I'm looking at this wig, I think it's either deep wave or water wave. Honestly, do not quote me on that, but the specs of the wig will be in the description box. So if you guys want to know exactly what wig I'm wearing, just check down below in the description box. But before we jump into the installation of this wig, I'm just going to show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So this is the package, and I'm loving the package because it's pink and it's my favorite color. Like, why not? I'm also wearing one of their robes, which I had this robe from a collab that I did with them a while ago. And I just realized that it's actually a Unice robe, so I just had to add that in there. But anyways, let me just finish showing you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So of course the wig came. Sent me some lashes. These lashes are very long, but they sent me like a tray of lashes. So this is pretty much their information card, just their hair guide. And this wig was I think this is 7x5 closure. They did cut it in a zigzag motion, so that way when you install it on your head, it does not give that wiggy effect. It looks very natural, and the knots are very tiny. Like, literally, they're pretty much like no knots. The knots are very tiny, so you will not have to actually bleach it, because I did not bleach it. I just literally just installed it the way it came. I literally took it out of the bag and put it on my head, and I did show that in the video. So when I tell you it's actually pre-bleached, pre-plucked, actually glueless and ready to go, it is. They also sent me this little package, and inside the package they sent their stocking cap, their Unice headband, some press-ons. But yeah, that is it. Let's just jump right into the installation of this wig. But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud, and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide for what I want. Just some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide for what I want. Get some me time. I don't know if you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
like once. Life move fast and do what you want.
In the meantime,
just not doing what I want.
need some me time.
Keep doing what you want.
In the meantime,
just not doing what I want.
need some me time.
Keep doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I lost now. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus?
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The link to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys would love to purchase it, definitely check down below. Once again, I would love to thank UNiceHair for sponsoring the video, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.
A whole lot of red rubies on my neck. Pussy, you came with a team. And the brick, you came with a bit. I can teach you how to